We got updates to talk about. The grass airdrop is basically here. So let's go and look a bit into this video. We jump straight here. The first thing first is regarding the base and Zora airdrop. As we see over here, base, the official base page over here, released a new animated video over on Zora, which is this one right here. Make sure to go and mint it. We do have a lot of minting already. It's only been out for a couple of hours. You can get it with 111 stars. You can get it for, whatever you can do as much as possible. It is an important one. With this one, why it is very important to go and mint this? Well, it is because you are farming the base airdrop, in this case, if you farm it over on base, as well as the Zora one, or you can go and pick any other one that you want. But the base one, it is nice because it already hasn't got a token yet, so you're getting the base transaction, you're getting the Zora transaction, and you are good to go. One big thing as well, you can max mint it, as we see over here, for 12,000, counting that it is going to be a couple of dollars. But if you've never done a max mint, potentially that could be a Zora situation for the airdrop. So make sure to go and grab yourself this one over here. Following up, we have the Eigen layer will be over on Binance very soon, and this is going to be a huge moment. So let me know your Eigen allocation down in the comments below. We have seen it already. You probably have seen it already in the past as well. But just a little bit of a tokenomics before we go and talk about the grass situation. We got a supply which is 1.7 billion. Season 1 airdrop is 6.7%. Season 2 airdrop will be 5.15%. The total airdrop allocation will approximately be the 12% of the token, and you are good to go. Now, it will be listed on Binance, on ByBit, on Carak, on Gate, on MEXC, Huobi, OKX. If you wish to go and sign up to ByBit, the link is down below if you wish to support me as well and be ready to go and sell it, because it will go up, it will go down, everybody sell steady and then back up. Most likely it's gonna happen like that. So pre-market price, we're looking at $4 about in every exchange. And once again, sign up to ByBit because ByBit has the pre-market, which is the highest one. So you will make more money for your token. But before we go forward, guys, I do want to thank the sponsor of this video, this beautiful watch brand company over here. They make these amazing watches, these Bitcoin logo watches. So if you wish, make sure to go and grab yours. It is very nice. I do like it. All the links will be down below. It is a watch. You can pay with cryptocurrency over on their site as well, but I do like it a lot as it is a Bitcoin relevant watch. So yeah, the link is down below. Make sure to go and check them out. Following up, we do have the airdrop over here from the Carak network. Now, I haven't participated in Carak. This is one of those that I personally say that I have not participated in it, but they have introduced the Carak Foundation page. Now, we do know this. We have seen it in the past as well with the Grass Foundation page. Carak Foundation page means that the airdrop is coming very soon. The TGE will be extremely early in my opinion. And as we see here, it explains that the TGE and the airdrop are just around the corner. So let me know also your Carak XP if you have earned some in the part below. As we see over here, we got two phases depending on which one you do have. So very good. So let me know your allocation down below. We then have a update for the Mind Network over here. If you are farming the Mind Network airdrop, here's an important update you need to check out. There are a new XP has now been converted into the BFHE. This means that the XP you used to earn from stacking over on the Mind Network, which we have seen it, but we have yet probably not even talked about it in a very long time. But as we see here, it has used for stacking in the Mind Network and is now the FHE token, which is an ERC20 token on the Mind chain, which then will become potentially the airdrop allocation. So the total point will be your BHFE total allocation for this airdrop. In case this is the Mind Network, as we've seen it over here, this is the website for the Mind Network. Now, we did talk about this very early on the very early stages. I haven't gone through and actually participate, but we have the voice over here as well for the airdrop. So the BFHE are going to be the airdrop token allocation that you will receive. Following up, we also have a nice update over for what is the scroll airdrop, which is coming theoretically very soon. And also I got two Solana token that I do want to talk about, and I am farming it in a different way, so stick with me. First of all, with the scroll airdrop over here, we see that Scroll has a new website, the governance.scroll.io, which has been registered today, which means the airdrop is coming very, very soon. I know it's been quite a while that the airdrop scenario, everybody's like, oh, stop farming airdrop, oh, stop hating on airdrop, hate on airdrop, they're all the same, they're all the same. Those people have stopped farming airdrop, so thankfully they are out of the equation, and I scaled up the rank, and you too, if you did participate, to surpass all of these people that said, oh, the airdrops are dead. Yet we keep on farming. Scroll is a good one of, one of those types that you needed the marks. You need to go through the marks, the more airdrop, etc. potentially, as it does allow you to go into the ecosystem in general. But it is coming very soon. We got it over here, the government.scroll.io page, which means, as we said it also over here before with the Kraken situation, it is going to be a airdrop criteria. Following up regarding the grass situation over here, we got 7 hours at time of releasing this video, 7 hours. So if you are saying it tomorrow, if you have not done this, you're a bit late, because you need to go and link your wallet. Make sure that you go and do it. Make sure that you participate in it. Make sure that you do all of them goodies. This is extremely important for you to go. You need to link your wallet and provide an email address. This will give you the possibility to have a wallet linked to your page, and you will be able to go and earn the epoch point. Now, as we see over here, this epoch is going quite well in terms of the point. Then we still don't know if this actual point is what is going to be rewarded in terms of the airdrop. But the current epoch over here, I am going all the way to 19 million points, which it is a lot. And yes, the grass airdrop, it is only a referral based airdrop, which we all know, which then will provide that it is, an influencer kind of error, and I'm well aware. That's why we're talking about giving it away over on my Patreon. The link will be down below, and it's also for those that actually made it until the end of the video that will know about me giving away the airdrop, part of the airdrop. So if you haven't, make sure to go and sign up to the Patreon. Link is down below. There are big plans for it. I do want to go and also have the possibility to give out more and to do more within that situation with the Patreon. So make sure that you go and follow up as well. But talking about the Solana situation with my 2 airdrops in one, I got back to Camino, and it is not for the Camino Season 3 airdrop situation, the Season 3 points, which then will be an airdrop. I'm not really interested in that one. As you see over here, my points are actually quite bad in terms of what I am delivering. I'm 104,000. We did finish the Season 2, 132,000, so I'm not really that fast in terms of what the situation is. I do have a loyalty boost. I do have a staking boost as well. So I do have a little bit of boosts here and there. But why am I going back to this? Well, I am going for the liquidity of this one. And as we see over here on my portfolio, I am providing liquidity for this vault, the Jupiter and Solana Vault. It is a risky point, yes, absolutely. It is quite risky in terms that if one goes up, the other one goes down, I could lose it. But theoretically, Jupiter and Solana should go hand in hand. We do have this nice fee APY over here, which it is 24% APY. The Meteora fee rate will go, but it does look like a juicy one. So if it all goes to plan down, there are other liquidity, and this one, as we see over here, you can do the Jito Sol Solana, for example, with a 7%. As we see over here, APY, the strategic yield, it's 0.78. So it is not terrible, but to go to the Meteora one over here, for example, the Jito Solana, which is the other one, Jito Sol Solana is the other 7%. You don't have to risk it with the Jupiter and the Solana one. As we see over here, we do have volume on both of them. You do not have to risk for this one. Jito Sol Solana usually stays within the same. So if one goes up, the other one goes down, as we're able to go and see from the analytics. I just wanted to go, as we see over here, exactly the same. So this vault will not give you the possibility to lose your funds, most likely. Now, I'm no expert, no financial advisor, but the price, as you see over here, it goes up. In this case, you go and lose your funds if one goes up, the other one goes down, or one goes extremely down out of nowhere. But, Solana and Jupiter seems to be pretty much hand in hand. And the one I did is this one, the Jupiter Solana at 24.47, always on Meteora. And as we see over here, depositing into these positions earns Meteora points, which then will be translated into the Meteora airdrop over on Solana. And as we see it over here, in terms of the analysis, as we are looking at right now, it kind of goes hand in hand in terms of what it is. We got the hold Solana, we got the Jupiter. So it goes up and down, the performance versus the USD price a little bit together when we're talking about Solana over here as well. We see the Camino, Jupiter, Sol, and all of the others. So it does go a little bit hand in hand, but of course, you know, there's gonna be a risk with it. But I did stick with it. Now, the other thing that I was thinking was to go with the Cheeto Sol and the Solana one for a nice 8% APY. But knowing the greedy person that I am, I did go for this one over here. So it is what it is. Here I have deposit. Of course, I can withdraw them anytime I want. I can simply do over here and withdraw all of the Jupiter that I can withdraw for this one. And then have the position back into Solana or anything that I want. I simply click over here on max and all of them will be given out to me. So just so that you know, this is my new one. I do have it and we'll see how it goes. Then if I lose the funds, I will lose the funds, but I don't think as they go up and down a little bit together hand in hand. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below and I will see you in the next one. Ciao, guys.